Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add multiple bullet points in same line in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add multiple bullet points in same line. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a table option. Now choose a raw from select. Now select from a raw. Now going to the again home menu option. Now click for a bullet points option. Then click for a raw bullet points. That is. Now zoom your page. Now we can see add multiple bullet points same line in publisher document. Then print option. That it's add multiple bullet points same line is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.